To begin customizing your theme, navigate to the Edit Code option and click on Customize Theme. This will open the customization panel where you can make various adjustments to enhance the appearance and functionality of your website. Once you're in the customization panel, click on Add Section. You will be prompted to choose a section name. For instance, you might select RI Before After Image 2. This section is perfect for showcasing visual transformations, product comparisons, or progress visuals by displaying two images side by side. After adding the section, you can start setting up your images. First, choose the left side image that will appear on one side of the section. This could be the before image or any image you want to feature first. Next, select the right side image to complete the comparison layout, allowing visitors to easily observe the contrast or transformation. Now it's time to personalize your section. Start by adding a heading that reflects the theme or purpose of the comparison. A powerful heading can instantly capture attention and set the tone. You can further enhance it by selecting a font family that matches your brand identity. Adjust the font size separately for desktop and mobile to ensure optimal readability across all devices. You also have the flexibility to set the text alignment left, center, or right based on your visual layout. Below the heading, you may want to include a subheading to provide additional context or explanation. Whether you're highlighting a service, feature, or transformation, this subtext helps convey the message more effectively. As with the heading, you can choose your preferred font family, adjust sizes for mobile and desktop views, and select the ideal alignment. To make your section more interactive, consider adding a button with a compelling call to action, CTA. Enter the button text, something clear like Explore Now or See the Difference, and provide the destination URL where you want users to be directed. Customize the button's design by tweaking elements such as text alignment, top margin to ensure proper spacing, border radius for a softer look, and border thickness for emphasis. Colors are key to ensuring your section visually aligns with the rest of your site. Select specific colors for the heading, subheading, and button that reflect your brand palette. You can also choose a background color for the entire section, a hover color for the button to make it interactive, and a layout background color for overall uniformity. You can even fine-tune the vertical line color to subtly divide content or enhance the layout design. Finally, to ensure the section blends naturally with the rest of your page, you can adjust the top and bottom margins. This spacing keeps the layout clean and prevents elements from feeling cramped. You may also want to test the section across different devices to ensure it remains responsive and maintains visual harmony. Once everything looks good, don't forget to save your changes and preview the section on your live site. This will help you ensure that the visual and functional aspects work exactly as intended.